Good evening. This is the first time I've been to the grocery store in over a month. St. Louis County is mandating masks wearing in public. Started July 3rd. I've always worn a mask since this whole thing started, so no big deal to me, but now it is a mandate in the county I live in. I'm showing the toilet paper aisle, plenty of toilet paper. I'm only going to do a couple clips at the grocery store because I'm by myself. Grocery stores only want one shopper per household, and I have a super long shopping list since it's been over a month, and so it's just too difficult to record. I'm just showing a couple clips to show you there are no shortages in the grocery store. Plenty of toilet paper, plenty of hand sanitizer, plenty of face masks, no shortages whatsoever. I've been going to the post office every day, and that's it. So total hermit mode, staying home, and so my grocery cart is really full. I have to wait in a normal line, and I'll show you the groceries at home. I'm back from the grocery store. I spent $238.78. Since it was hard to record at the store, I'm just gonna show you what I bought. 2 things of Gatorade. Robert wanted this accent spice. He uses it for cooking. I got him maple syrup. I got me Butterworth. I'm fine with Butterworth. He prefers the real deal. 4 boxes of Journos stuffed crust. I pick these up every time I see them because they don't always have them in stock. This is our go-to when neither of us feel like cooking. 2 things of butter. Not butter. I'm the only one who uses this when I make egg sandwiches. My husband does not use that at all, so this will last like the rest of the year. I am going to make chicken stir fry tonight, so I got chestnuts and bamboo shoots. I got strawberries and these aren't pound, whatever these cakes are, to go with the strawberries. I got 4 cans of baked beans. I just like having these in the cupboard. It's an easy side for whenever we have hamburgers or steaks or whatever. A huge jar of pepperoncinis. They didn't have the brand I normally like. I've had Mount Olive before. It's not my favorite, but it will do. I just really like pepperoncinis. And then I got 4 boxes of the taco kits. I normally like to just get the stand-in shells by themselves, but they didn't have it, and they didn't have it last time, and so this is fine. It comes with seasoning mix and taco sauce. We don't really need that, but we'll use it. It's fine. And then milk and orange juice for my husband. He wanted OxyClean. I didn't know what he meant, so I got this powder form and this spray form. I got mousse. I normally get mousse at Target or Walmart, but I haven't been to either of those places forever, and I really don't want to go, so I just bought all the mousse they had. The price was comparable actually to Walmart, which surprised me because usually grocery store toiletry items are way more expensive, but it was pretty much the same as Walmart, so I was okay with that. And then I got 4 packs of these tortillas. We use tortillas a lot, and I'm trying to avoid going to the grocery store. Like I said earlier, I have not been to the grocery store in over a month, and so I'm just stocking up so I don't have to go back for another month. More sour cream, cheese. I like the Mexican blend. My husband likes the sharp cheddar. And then I've had this before. Since I got so many flour tortillas, I'm just using this to make simple cheese quesadillas for lunch for me. Black olives. Both of us like to snack on black olives. I got 2 packs of hot dog buns. I'm going to freeze these. I got 4 packs of hot dogs. We don't always use buns when we eat hot dogs. That's why I only got 2 packs. And they had the cheese franks. I haven't seen these forever, so that was exciting to me. So I got 2 of these. Hot dogs freeze very well, so these will be frozen. I needed more paper plates, more press and seal, and then just more bread. This is our waffle maker. I just wanted to show that real quick. Showing you why we bought so much syrup, because we actually make waffles a lot. And then these are pierogies. I'm the only one who eats these. I'll split the box in 2, and it'll be like 2 lunches. I just boil them, put some butter and Parmesan cheese on them, and it's an easy lunch. And eggs. That's it. Needed more eggs, and does it really look like $230 worth of stuff? Not really. A couple things were on sale, and this again was the only meat. We have plenty of meat in the freezer. I want to use up what is in the freezer before I buy more meat. Even though the pandemic is at its worst right now, I don't believe there's going to be any food shortages at the moment. There wasn't. I'm glad I have a stockpile because it's really helped not going to the grocery store, but I'm not really freaking out anymore about having to have tons of meat in the freezer. So I'm going to use what we got and we'll go back to the grocery store. So hopefully I can go another month without going. Everyone was wearing masks at the store, but it still was like difficult. Like, I don't know. I just have been in hermit mode, so don't want to go to the grocery store. And this is plenty of food to get us through for another month. I mean, this is just the essentials, because if you've been watching my food hauls, which it's been over a month since I posted one, we've got plenty of food in stockpile. We are good, but we were out of eggs and butter, and those, I bake a lot, so I needed that. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm home. Going to the store stressed me out. I'm just glad to be home. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.